video is to motivate you. I'm gonna make a review about Clickdealer. Clickdealer is one of the CPA marketing that have a lot of great opportunity where you can make money. But for today, I'm not going to the high ticket item. I'm gonna show you this example of CPA that you can promote. You can see $4 for every person who just give name, email, and phone number. So you can see so far for today, I have this amount. So $459, 325 is already ready for me to withdraw. So now let's click on this first one. You see, this is for leads that I just select. I'm gonna show you this leads. You see, you're gonna earn $4 if you just make people put email, name, and phone number. And if you watch this video all the way through the end, I'm gonna show you the traffic source that I'm gonna use to get these $4 for every American who put their name, email, and phone number. So if I click on this product, you see right here, this one, let's click on this. You can see this one say for a leads to convert, this is SOI, single opt-in page, or single opt-in page. So this person is supposed to initiate the single opt-in page. So you can see this person will be converted when they reach the second form. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, when I will get paid? The person supposed to be in USA. You see the geo is supposed to be US all states, no incentive, no agile, no fraud, and daily cap. You can have more than any amount of people per day. So they can give you banners, email creative, and the creative tab. So SMS traffic is not subject to approval. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, how I'm gonna get this American to fill out this will state single email submit page. So I am using Facebook to generate leads. So you're gonna have to try with Facebook. Let me show you where you go. When you go to Facebook, you say create ads. You're gonna have an interface like this, and you're gonna go where it says get more leads. Get more leads. This is where people are gonna give you mail, email, and phone number, things like that. So on Facebook, you want contact to come from Facebook, or inside of Facebook, you're gonna say you need people from Facebook to give you email, phone number, and you can redirect them to the sales page where they're gonna put their name, email, and phone number. And one thing I'm gonna say you can use a landing page to make them launch to this page. You can just create a new form if you want. I'm gonna create a new form. So you create a new form, and what you're gonna say in this form, because you know the company needs people from United States, as you can see from the offer. So they say the geo is supposed to be all United States. So they don't say the age that they want, but they just say desktop, Mac, desktop PC. This is where the traffic can come. So you see offer capped. So you can see allowed country is United States. So if I just go back on Facebook right now, I'm gonna add phone number. So I need, you can say full name, phone number, email. This is what I know that these people are gonna have to put. So you see, this is what they're gonna see as my form. So this is the same model business like lead generation. These people, they're gonna have a callback installed on maybe your website, or you can use a free tool to create your landing page like blogger.com. I have example. I use a free blog that I create using blogger.com. So here you can just pass the JavaScript of any form that you want, or the offer gonna give you a link to promote them. You can just add the link right here. Let me show you how you add this. So let's suppose I just go to Blogger, okay, just to show you how to add the link when they come from Facebook, because in the text that you will have, you're gonna explain that. You can see, let me finish with this. You're gonna ask them short question. You're gonna ask them, are you a US resident? This is example of question, because you wanna be sure that these leads gonna be the leads that you want. So this is what people gonna see, and the question when you run the ad, say they're gonna say yes. So you're gonna ask a second question like, are you over 18? Okay, so you say you may qualify, something like that, for a free real estate consultation, something like that, because you are promoting a real estate product. So say something that can consultation, things like that. So something that can convince people to give you or their email, name and phone number. And below, don't forget, you will have to use a privacy, because if you don't use a privacy, you see here, you're gonna put a privacy about your website, because they're gonna ask you for a website. You can see here, let me go back to Blogger and show you what I'm telling you. You're gonna have to create a privacy. So to create a privacy, let me log to Blogger and show you what model of privacy that I just create. So this is how I use this website you see like this to generate money, because you can see $4 for every person that put the name, email and phone number. It's easy because I'm gonna pay Facebook for that. So here, if I go to the blog, this is the blog. You see right here, this is the blog. So if I just go to the blog, you're gonna see, and the page that I have a page named privacy policy or terms of service. This is the page. So you can ask me, how do you create this page? Because if you don't have a landing page, you may not have money to buy a lender from Bulldowo, ClickFunnels, things like that. But you can use Blogger for free. When you use Blogger for free, your website gonna have something like that, which is a policy. So let me show you proof inside on the blog live. So you can see, when you come to my blog, you're gonna see home, privacy policy, terms of service. This is what Facebook needs to approve the ads. So here you're gonna have this. You see this awesome privacy policy. It is not me who write this. Let me show you how I write it. I just go to Google like this. When I go to Google, one thing I do, I just type privacy policy generator. You're gonna see free website that gonna generate the privacy policy for you for free. So you're gonna go to this one and you're gonna put the name of your website, the name of your company, the name of your website, and the link of your website, and boom, you choose your country and your email. Boom, they're gonna write one for you, the same like this one you see that I have right here, privacy policy. So let's get back to Facebook. So this is the privacy policy. So now one thing I can do, okay, let me go back. I can just open my privacy policy. This is the link that Facebook asked me. Okay, Facebook asked me for the link, so I just go back to Facebook right here. I will put the text. I can say privacy policy. Okay, things like that, and maybe I put the name of my my website, site also. Don't hesitate to visit my blog and encourage me with some of the articles. So you see, I just put the link as a reference because Facebook wants to be sure that you are responsible of anything that happened on your website, because you're gonna collect email and phone number of people, and you just say to Facebook, yes, next. This is what you want. You say next. So now this is where you can promote. So you can edit this picture. You can just put picture related to the offer. And you are almost good to go. Right here, this is what you're gonna do. You see, set up. You can set up, sign up. People can sign up through the form that you just submit. Facebook gonna collect for you. You can see, I will spend $35 for 7 days. Let's suppose I just put this for. Let's say I will run this for 1 day and just spend $5 per day. Okay, you can see this is the leads. Just for $5, I'm gonna have this amount that you see right here, guys. Okay, let me show you. You see how many people I'm gonna reach. I'm gonna have from 9 to 27 leads. 27 leads, times $4.50. Let me grab my calculator, guys. You can just do the same. So if you are busy, you don't have enough time to watch other video, or just give this video a thumbs down. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. So let's suppose I have $4.5, and I just multiply this by this 27 leads. So guys, yes, just spend $100, $500. I get this. This is awesome. So you can see every day you run the ad, and each time one of them who are from United States, you see this is what the offer says. Someone from Audio United States, someone from United States, just fill out. You make $4.50. This is how I do this. You can do it as well, guys, and you can just to finish with the targeting and show you how I do everything. Let me finish with this. So here, this is where we're gonna put the text. We're gonna remove this text, put a text, maybe something that gonna be that will be related to the offer, like if you are over 18 something, over 18 and live in USA, you may qualify for a free real estate consultation on how to buy your first property, things like that. You can copy my model with less investment. So something like that. This is the text. I just type the text. You can I already have something related to real estate, this beautiful picture, and you see people gonna see this. This is where they're gonna see sign up button. So they're gonna sign up, and you can see 27 leads. I can let this one, and boom, everything gonna be perfect. And I'm gonna collect leads, and after these leads, I'm gonna fill out the form. I'm gonna use them just to retarget them after for other offer that I have, but I just generate these leads for $4 for each of them. So this is how you do it, and you can do the targeting right here. This is where you do the targeting. So you're gonna target the audience. You're gonna create a new targeting. Let's say I want people from United States. Let's say USA, will state, Clickdealer, because the affiliate of company is Clickdealer. So you can be sure where your what product that you are promoting. So you say Clickdealer, this is the name of the campaign. So if they say you there is some age range, some demographic, choose the age that the offer require. But if they don't say you nothing, for United States, just start with 21. Someone who are in this age are people that are a little bit responsible and start working. But under this age, they are still under parents' responsibility. So I don't suggest you to make it less than that. So here you can just choose men or women, but let it for everyone. So I will remove this country, which is mine, and I'm gonna put this where you do the targeting, United States, guys. So I just say to Facebook, I need people from United States to see my ads. So you're gonna narrow down your audience, because you see it is too broad, more than 250 million people, so it's too much. So what I'm gonna do as targeting, I'm gonna target real estate, things like that, because people who show interest for real estate, and this is what I'm gonna target. Now it is 78 million people. It's still too much. So there is something that allow you to narrow it down. So you can narrow it down. It's up to you if you want to narrow it down, or you can just say something like, let's say, renter, people who rent, okay, renter, or home renter. Let's see if this or home. You can choose home owners too, things like that. Home owners, people interest about home owner, people want to possess their house, who want to have their first house, or you can just say real estate investment. Let's just narrow it down, remove this and put real estate investment. Investing or investment almost the same thing. So let's say investing. Real estate investing, people in the United States, you see, this is the amount that you're gonna see. This is the 18 million people interested about this in the United States. You can still narrow down until you find something that is not too broad, but you can see here, I will save this audience. So if I save this audience, this is what's gonna happen. So, and I just go below and put my budget for one day, $5, and I'm gonna have 27 leads. This is how I do it. So each lead you have gonna be $4.50. So this is how I do this. So this man you see on the screen are not typical. If you wanna make them, guys, I can coach you how to do affiliate marketing. If you want a coaching, personalized coaching with me, just hit me on Skype. I will put my Skype, or I will put the link about my coaching for you guys. I hope this video bring you value. You can just go do this for any other CPA marketing company like Clickdealer, the same thing. It was your boy Vander, as always. Bye bye.